Yeah.
Go ahead. What other questions?
Well, I would really like to know what it was like working with Doug.
Can I actually remove your cup just for this question?
Sure.
Okay, thanks.
Here we go.
Oh, thanks.
Get rid of it. It's getting cold.
It should be.
Mine's getting warm, so. No, that's a great question.
Yeah. Anyway,
Let me make sure this camera's still healthy.
well, Doug had, what it was like working with Doug. Doug had his vision.
Yes.
All of the efforts were in line with Doug's vision.
Mm-hmm.
And I think for a lot of us working with Doug at the time, we didn't connect 100% with his vision. What it allowed was a lot of very interesting development in computers and software.
Yeah.
And it was certainly, it was really groundbreaking in the things we were doing.
Mm-hmm.
And it fit with Doug's vision, definitely. I mean, but doing this was really in line with what he wanted to do.
Yeah.
And it was fine. We went along with it.
There's that story of, I think Doug said you came into his office once and said, oh, Doug, you're really good at the small stuff, the big stuff, but not in the middle.
The what?
I think it was you. I might be wrong. That who came into Doug's office and said, Doug, you're not very good. I mean, you're very good with the small stuff and very good with the big stuff, but not the middle stuff. That was you, right?
That's very likely.
Yeah.
It's very possible.
Can you talk around that of where the frustration lay with Doug, maybe, and where you felt you could do something?
I'm not sure where to go with that. I think that's an interesting way to put it. It may not have been me that was saying that. I don't know, but certainly had a large vision.
Mm-hmm.
And in some of the details, like the specific commands and all of that, he was very good. Now, when you say not, I wouldn't say not good in the middle, but I think I don't connect with that one. I don't think that was it exactly. I probably didn't say that.
What sort of what sort of expectations there were in the team, and maybe it was different for everyone, how they saw the future, because everybody, Doug was really into his philosophy, but I'm sure other people were more into, more developing the computer and things like that. What are different sort of expectations for the future, do you think?
I think many people didn't have let's see. For one thing, I will say Doug's vision was always out there and never realized, even in the small steps. Mm-hmm. And I think people felt many times that they didn't get credit for the small steps, the steps that were being taken, because it was always, but we haven't done this.
Yeah.
And I think there was a growing discontent as the group grew larger, that Doug didn't really give credit for what was being accomplished.
Yeah.
I mean, certainly the great presentation, the FJCC presentation, that was not an issue.